Looking for a fence that is not only beautiful, but also durable and long-lasting? Introducing Trex Fencing. It's not just beautiful in its three rich natural colors of saddle, woodland brown, and Winchester gray, but it is also green, made from a proprietary blend of recycled polyethylene and wood fiber by Trex, the leading manufacturer of composites. Trex Fencing is backed by a 25-year warranty and resists insect damage, won't rot or splinter, and will never need staining or painting. You simply can't find a better wood fencing alternative. With Trex's innovative design and interlocking pickets, you get a fully private, good neighbor fence that looks the same on both sides and a fence that is strong enough to withstand a 110-mile-per-hour wind without the need of wood or steel post supports. This nationally branded building product is being used across the country to differentiate large commercial, governmental, and residential building projects, as well as replacing large homeowner association projects. HOAs are not the only ones that love Trex fencing. Individual homeowners do as well. Less time and money spent on maintaining or replacing a fence is more time and money spent on enjoying life. Because Trex Fencing is a stick-built product that you work with and cut like wood, it is easily adaptable and can be built to fit any terrain or spec and can be built to any height up to 12 feet tall. So if you are looking for a fence that does not glare but will blend in with the community and your surroundings, adding a unique, stunning appearance, look for Trex Fencing. Simply put, why buy Trex Fencing? Stunning looks, low maintenance, and durability.